Welcome to Aras Developments FZE. Today, we're diving into Pallet Stackers 101, Maintenance and Handling Tips. Whether you manage a warehouse or handle logistics operations, these tips will help you save time, reduce downtime, and ensure workplace safety. Stay tuned till the end for expert advice. Let's start. Now, what is a pallet stacker? A pallet stacker is a type of material handling equipment used to lift, transport, and stack pallets efficiently. They come in manual, semi-electric, and electric versions, each designed to meet different warehouse needs. Pallet stackers are essential for improving productivity while reducing physical strain on operators. Here are some essential maintenance tips. Proper maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your pallet stacker and ensuring safety. Here are the main steps. First, for electric stackers, take care of the battery, charge it fully after each shift, but avoid overcharging. Next, check the hydraulic system regularly. Inspect oil levels and watch for any leaks or unusual noises. Then, examine wheels and rollers. Make sure they are clean and replace any that are worn. Finally, inspect the forks and mast. Look for cracks or bending, and keep them lubricated for smooth lifting operations. Handling tips for safe operation. Safe handling is just as important. Always adhere to the load capacity and avoid overloading. Stack pallets evenly to prevent tipping and move the stacker at a controlled speed, especially in tight spaces. Additionally, ensure that all operators are properly trained and aware of safety protocols before using the equipment. Common mistakes you should avoid. Even experienced operators make mistakes. Common errors include overloading the stacker, skipping regular maintenance, moving too fast, or storing stackers in damp areas. Avoiding these mistakes ensures longer equipment life and safer operations. Pro tips and efficiency hacks. Here are some pro tips to boost efficiency. Use pallet stacker mats to reduce floor wear. Schedule weekly inspections of hydraulic and electrical components. Maintain a logbook to track maintenance activities. Also, position frequently used pallets closer to reduce unnecessary movement, saving both time and effort. Proper maintenance and safe handling of pallet stackers ensure long-lasting equipment, safer operations, and higher productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aras Developments FZE for more warehouse equipment tutorials. Comment below if you'd like us to cover other material handling equipment tips.